How do you reinvent the all-in-one computer for the design-driven human that wants breakthrough performance for productivity? You start by reimagining the contribution a computer makes to a contemporary home and rethinking how a display screen interacts with its environment. We were captivated by floating glass and the idea of developing a display that is as much art piece as it is a functional element that connects and empowers its user. Our solution was to disaggregate all the components that weren't powering the display itself and engineer them into the base. The result is one of the thinnest all-in-one displays ever made. The QHD screen is touch responsive. The micro edge display on all four sides makes the screen feel as if it's floating in midair. The visual impression is starkly beautiful. The impact immediately immersive. We really amped up the performance with Intel Core processors, giving the Envy all-in-one all the power that most tech-driven home dwellers could ask for. It comes with a range of storage options up to 1 terabyte SSHD or up to 2 terabytes HDD. Quad HP speakers and audio custom-tuned in collaboration with experts at Bang & Olufsen are precisely positioned to direct sound straight to your ears. A haptic interface with intuitive controls adheres to the simplicity of the overall aesthetic. We engineered some exceptional capabilities into it, like the HP privacy camera. It tucks nicely behind the screen, but with a simple push, it displays both camera and microphone for use. It's got the performance to take on anything. It delivers a limitless experience in sound and vision, and it does it all with a sense of complementing its surroundings. The new HP Envy All-in-One reinvents how form embraces performance to elevate and advance a well-designed home.